Alright guys, we have another unboxing, and today it is the brand new Fortec Drift from Traxxas. It's funny, I didn't have a drift car in my collection and I was contemplating on what to do, and Traxxas came out and released one, so kind of works out. These are your colorways here: red, black, green, blue, white. I got the copper one here. I think that's going to be the best looking color. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this thing. So I've never had a drift car, and so this will be a first for me. I don't consider myself a very good drifter to begin with, so this will be fun to learn with this car. And there it is. They call it copper. I call it kind of orange. Alright. That looks really good. Really good. Alright guys, what do you think about this beauty? It's a really good looking color. That was the right choice. Anyway, this is the licensed Ford Mustang body. It's actually the Ford GTD body, but they don't mention that. But the front hood scoops, rear valence, it's definitely the Ford GTD. Got the brake rotors in there for a good, nice scale look. You get clipless body, which is real nice. It's just stickers for headlights, tail lights. Kind of disappointing. Car looks this good. You kind of hope they put some light buckets in there for a pro light kit option. Maybe that'll come later, but yeah, just stickers for now. And that's a look at the Fortec rear wheel drive chassis. This is a rear wheel drive car. 60 degrees of steering. With all that steering. Bulkhead's been redesigned to fit this new front suspension geometry. You do get adjustable turnbuckles front and rear. Titan 550 21 turn. Kind of would expect to see the BL2S in here, given that the apparent future for Traxxas is brushless, but find a brush unit in this, which will probably be sufficient for drifting. Looking at the transmitter here, you get a TQI radio. This is your handbrake, and it does come with the Traxxas Link module, which is a really nice feature. There's a lot of settings in the Traxxas app we will look at here in a minute, but that's neat. That's, you know, was $100 option by itself, so that's a nice piece of hardware to get in the kit. You also get a second set of tires. Now what's already installed is a hard set for your more abrasive surfaces, concrete, asphalt, whatnot. These are a softer compound, even though they feel hard as a rock, for your more polished surfaces. Here you have your preload adjustments, normal hand tools, and Traxxas manuals and stickers. Anybody ever use these stickers? I never do, but there they are. So let's get this thing turned on. Let's look at the Traxxas Link and see all the settings, because there's a lot you can adjust with this car. Alright guys, got the car powered on, and I want you to take note that you do not get the full 60 degrees of steering right out of the box. It's set to 50%. What you have to do is go into the app and change those settings. Let's take a look at how we do that now. Alright guys, once you get everything linked up, you're going to go to your garage, go to TSM, Stability Management, And give it a second, and bam, there you are. There's your drift settings. There you got TSM drift, which gives you the most assist. Here's where you change your steering angle. Like I said, it's 50% out of the box. Turn it all the way up to 100. Then you get the boom, full steering angle there. That's pretty cool. All right, your steering reflex, throttle reflex, spin out assist, and TSM drift. It will assist with throttle inputs, stuff like that, help to keep your drift going. TSM is just like TSM, like on every Traxxas unit. Your steering settings will still stay the same. You will lose your throttle assist and spin out assist. You can still change your steering reflex. And the gyro is a simulated gyro. It does not have a gyro in it, but it does simulate one, and you can adjust the settings there. This is what a lot of drift guys use, but this one is a simulation. So that's a look at the settings you get. Let's get this thing outside and see how these, I'm very, definition of novice, beginner drifter, probably terrible at it, so we'll see if any of these settings help me become a better RC drifter. Alright guys, we're out here. I'm going to take this drift for a spin, probably literally and figuratively. Got it set to TSM drift mode. This will be the mode with the most assists, and see if it can make someone who's as bad at drifting as me look good. Try to trip this. Oh. So much for spin out assist. Oh, I am terrible. Nope. No help for me. I'm just terrible. Now there's settings you can adjust the sensitivity of the throttle assist, the steering, all that. It's already set the default 50%, so maybe I need all the help. All right. That's awful. That's embarrassing. All right, let's see. Switch it over to TSM mode. Alright. Now you don't get any throttle assist. Your steering angle settings will stay the same. And let's see how that works. This is going to be just like standard Traxxas TSM, so definitely an immediate difference. Worse for me. You definitely feel less input with the throttle than on TSM drift. Stepping in a lot less. Well, not at all. Let's try the e-brake. Oh, push. Does e-brake work? Oh, e-brake works. Hey, look at that. All right, switch it over to gyro. All right. Over to gyro, and your gyro gains default 50%, steering angle set back to 100. All right. So I feel like I'm not exactly sure what the effect's supposed to be. I don't know if I was supposed to keep the steering turn while you just work the throttle. Not, like I said, I don't, this is all new to me, so it does feel like it wants to steer more on its own, kind of. We can do donuts. Yeah, I don't. Oh man. I apologize for my lack of skills. This is awful. Hey, we're doing something now. Look at that. Nah. Alright guys, not that there's really much point in speed testing it. I'm sure it's going to be less than 15, but you know, we speed test everything. So, did just learned that there's no reverse in any drift setting. So you got brake, but no reverse. Anyway, let's see how fast this thing goes, or doesn't go. That is a good looking color though. E-brake, oh yeah, pro. Honestly, after playing with it, I'm a little better in gyro mode. There we go, 13. Look at that. Look at all that. About as fast as a actual Ford Mustang. Nah, just kidding. I've had a bunch of Mustangs over the years, and I'll tell you personally, they will do at least 25 every time. Alright, so there it is, the Fortec Drift by Traxxas. I had fun with it. Terrible at drifting, but it's a really good looking car, and I really do think Traxxas has an opportunity here to, and I hope they run with it, maybe make some more licensed bodies, more accessories, wheels, spoilers, body kits. The drift community is pretty big in the RC world. And you know, at $329, it's kind of priced in the middle of some others. MST, HPI, Yokomo, kind of right in the middle of those guys. There's a lot of kits out there as well, but I had fun with it. I'll get better at it. I'll keep driving it, but I do thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.